10. Scientifically proven health benefits of fasting. Fasting is beyond just a religious ritual. It's a habit associated directly with the keys to many health improvements for people who go through any type of fasting for a prolonged period. Here, we'll talk about 10 scientifically proven health benefits of fasting, for any age of people. Number 1. Cleansing toxins. Fasting is a great detoxification method for the human body. Although our body already implements several detox methods, the process can become inefficient for older and unhealthy people. Fasting can be a great help for cleansing the toxins quickly and repair cellular health for these cases. Number 2. Way to lose weight. Losing weight is a simple theory: decrease the calories intake. Fasting is one of the best ways to lose weight because essentially you're not eating anything. Your body burns the excess fat it possesses, to keep going, which directly stimulates weight loss and obesity prevention. You can have fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and grains while not fasting to boost the good results. Number 3. Increase in metabolism. Metabolism is the sum of all chemical reactions, especially the digestion of food and energy production. Fasting increases metabolism by lowering the constant pressure of food digestion and burning fat without greatly affecting lean body mass. The result is a stronger physical self and better immunity. Number 4. Controls blood sugar. Insulin resistance is one of the main causes of uncontrolled blood sugar. The body becomes less sensitive to insulin and the risks of having diabetes increase. Fasting reduces insulin resistance and controls blood sugar by increasing sensitivity. As a result, glucose transportation becomes more efficient while fasting. Number 5. Brain health improvement. Fasting is shown to effectively increase nerve cell generation, which leads to better brain structure and function. To some extent, fasting can also prevent brain disorders. Neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease can be prevented by rapid fasting. Number 6. Improve inflammation. Inflammation is the process of healing. Your body fights against toxins and infections, and heals itself from injuries. Studies have shown that fasting has a positive effect on inflammation reduction. It helps the human body to heal better. Number 7. Promote growth hormone. Growth hormones are directly connected to physical growth, state of muscle, and weight. Fasting increases growth hormone secretion naturally and improves it by controlling insulin and blood sugar levels. As a result, fasting strengthens muscle, promotes growth and metabolism. Number 8. Healthier heart. As a result of reduced food intake, fasting decreases the cholesterol level considerably. This helps prevent coronary disease, hypertension, and diabetes. By preventing these issues, fasting effectively reduces heart diseases and improve heart health and blood pressure. Number 9. Longevity and anti-aging. The human lifespan greatly depends on what they eat. As fasting significantly improves metabolism, it can be helpful to prevent aging and promote longevity because a better metabolism relates to a healthier and younger body. Number 10. Hunger and eating. Eating disorders are increasing at an alarming rate. Fasting improves the eating habit and makes us experience actual hunger. It is a great practice to reset and regulate your eating pattern towards lower and healthier food consumption. These are the 10 health benefits you can achieve for fasting, both intermittent and all day.